Mastering articles as adjectives in English grammar. Hello and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today we're going to take a deeper look into an exciting topic: articles as adjectives. While articles might seem simple, they have a crucial role in English grammar. Let's dive in. Before we dive into how articles function as adjectives, let's quickly recap what articles are. In English, we have two types of articles: definite and indefinite. The definite article is the, and the indefinite articles are a and n. The is used when we are talking about something specific, while a and n are used when we are talking about something in general. For example, I saw the movie you recommended. A specific movie. I saw a movie last night. Any movie, not specific. You might be wondering, how are these articles related to adjectives? Well, remember that an adjective's main function is to describe or modify a noun. In the same way, articles are providing information about the noun they precede. When we say, the movie, we're giving the listener information that we're referring to a specific movie they should know about. When we say, a movie, we're giving information that it's any movie, not a specific one. So, you see, articles are acting as descriptors, which is why they are often classified as adjectives. One of the trickiest parts of English grammar is using articles correctly. Here are some general rules. Use the when you believe the listener or reader knows exactly what you're referring to. Use a before words that begin with a consonant sound, and n before words that begin with a vowel sound. Remember that a and n suggest the listener doesn't know exactly what you're referring to. For example, can you pass me the salt? We use the because there is usually only one salt shaker on the table. She wants to adopt an elephant. We use n because elephant begins with a vowel sound, and the listener does not know which specific elephant is being referred to. And that's a wrap on our exploration of articles as adjectives. It might take some time to fully grasp and use these rules correctly, but with a bit of practice, you'll master it in no time. Remember, English is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvement every day. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.